Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick maintenance video we're going to talk through how you can keep your Panasonic microwave clean and well maintained. Really important to think about cleaning your microwave. We always say little and often is the best way to go, because if you leave it too long it becomes really difficult and really annoying to clean a microwave. So I've got here the CD58 model. I've also got in front of me a collection of some of the accessories you can expect to find in certain Panasonic models. Not all of these come with the CD58, but we just wanted to give an idea on some of the different accessories. Now, the important thing to know is some of these accessories will be dishwasher safe and some of them won't be. You'll need to check your operating instructions just to be certain. So whether it's this air fry basket, the steam plate here, we've got a convection plate as well, and then last there we've got the grill tray. So as I say, just make sure that whatever your model is, you're looking in the operating instructions. There will be a cleaning and maintenance section. You can check which accessory is dishwasher safe. Don't just assume that the accessories are dishwasher safe, because some of them use very specific materials that don't do so well in a dishwasher. So that's the accessories. When it comes to the microwave itself, thinking about the external parts of the microwave, obviously wherever you've got it in a kitchen, they can really be prone to build up of oil, bits of grease, not only that but also dust as well they can collect. So especially on the top of the microwave there, you can use a soft, damp, very soft cloth. Make sure you wring it out really nicely with that water. You don't want any water drops staying around on the outside of your microwave for too long. That's because we've got certain vents down the side here and air vents. They need to be protected. So just use that damp, well wrung washcloth on the top there to remove any bits of oil or dust that have accumulated. You can put it on the sides as well. And of course the control panel and buttons. The buttons often get a little bit greasy just because we press them all the time, and that's what happens. So that's pretty much the outside of the microwave. Let's have a look at the inside now. I'll open up the door, and obviously the first thing you'll see is the glass turntable. We can take that out. Similar to the external of the microwave, you can use a damp, well-wrung washcloth with a little bit of soapy water to give this a really nice thorough clean. This is probably the thing you'll be cleaning most in your microwave. It's obviously where a lot of the food goes and a lot of the accessories sit on. So this does tend to accumulate the most amount of dirt and grime in its time. So we'll just put that there in front of the microwave, and then we'll look at the rest. Obviously we've got the roller ring that can lift out as well. Beneath that you will also find that there's quite a bit of food build-up that sits on the base of your microwave. Again, just use a damp, well-wrung washcloth to wipe away that food after every time you use it. Honestly, it takes 2 seconds. It's so simple, and just be really thorough, but gentle. You shouldn't need to scrub or anything after each time to really get rid of all that bits of food and grime there. The only thing you do need to be aware of when you're using that damp washcloth on the inside of the microwave, do be extra careful and avoid the vents that we've got on the inside of the microwave, especially on the magnetron side. Really important that absolutely no liquid gets in there. We want to keep that nice and dry. But after you've used that washcloth, do make sure you dry the whole interior of the microwave thoroughly as well. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know about keeping your microwave clean and well maintained. As we say, little and often is the way to go. Don't leave it too long. It's so important to keep it clean. It massively prolongs the lifespan, and it massively improves the quality of the cooking that the microwave can do for your food. So thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.